guys, today I'm fishing, I can't catch nothing, so I figured I'd go over there and check that stump for the spinnerbait I lost. Couldn't find it, so I was casting a couple. I was like, there may be a lure in that brush pile. I looked over, there's actually a frog in it, so right now I'm kind of like trying to maneuver in there, see if I can get it. Oh my gosh, I just hit the camera with that, or the GoPro. Dude, I could get it if I was just like right there. And maybe I didn't really be able to get it. Dude, I got it. Let's go. New frog added to the collection. Oh, let me get out of this. Luckily the line was so rusted I could just get it right out. New frog added to the collection. I'm going to have to clean it up kinda. It's pretty dirty, but looks like it has like webs back here that like spin, one big hook back here and two hooks right here. Hook back here is a little rusted, still in decent condition though, so may be able to use it. This may be my dad's. I don't think it is though, so yeah. Let's